In Tekla EPM 2020i, you now have more flexibility for your paint and cleaning system configurations in estimating. You can now easily set a default paint system for new estimates. You can add new cleaning types and create cleaning systems that combine different cleaning types. Paint systems and cleaning types are set up from the maintenance menu under estimating. So for cleaning types, under cleaning maintenance, you can add whatever cleaning types you might need. And you can check one of those as the default. Creating cleaning systems is as simple as adding types to be included. Again, check default to select which system will be applied automatically to new estimates. The process for creating paint systems is the same. When creating a new estimate, the default system will be applied to new items in the estimate. When creating an estimating job via import, the default paint and cleaning systems will be selected, although you will have the opportunity to change those selections during the import.